Our recent stay at the Dancing House Hotel was a delightful experience. The hotel doesn't have its own parking area. It's a little bit far from the hotel, probably 2 blocks away. We arrived in the evening, so it was a little bit difficult to find. The parking fee is €24 per day. Upon check-in, we were warmly welcomed by the staff who made the process smooth and efficient. The lobby is very simple and small.
There is the room.
The rooms at the Dancing House Hotel are just impressive as the building itself. They are spacious, modern, and elegantly designed with a sleek contemporary feel.
So, this is our room for how many nights? So, from today until Friday. Give you a short tour. So there is a fridge, coffee machine, some snacks and wine, and some apples over there. The view is very nice. And here is the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom is quite huge, but there's no bath. In here. Open. Oh, cabinet. So a cabinet. And a safe. Yeah, no, the hotel was easy to find. It's just that they don't have a place to park your car. And that is the view. I don't know if you
The floor-to-ceiling windows offer incredible views of the city, allowing you to wake up to beautiful vistas of Prague skyline, the Vltava River, or even the iconic Prague Castle in the distance. The room is well equipped with all the amenities you could need for a comfortable stay. From plush bedding to stylish furniture, the attention to detail and the mix of comfort and luxury create a relaxing environment.
drinks.
Reminds me of Kuala Lumpur, of the elevator is fully occupied. That is the glass bar.
We are going to the 7th floor, the Ginger and Fred restaurant.
I'm not going to pay entrance fee for a dinner.
If you are in-house guest in Dancing House Hotel, you don't need to pay for the entry. That's only for the first time. The second time you have to pay it for entrance.
The glass bar you have to pay. I think that's another.
The glass bar. Ginger and Fred restaurant. We are now in Ginger and Fred restaurant. We don't know what to eat yet. These are their menus. So I'm thinking of having duck breast, and Walter is going to have probably sea bass fillet.
In the evening, we dined at the hotel's restaurant called Ginger and Fred, and the food was excellent. The ambience was cozy yet chic, with stunning views of the city. The menu offered a variety of dishes, and everything we ordered was fresh, flavorful, and beautifully presented. The service was attentive, adding to the overall experience, making it the perfect end to our day.
We are going to the glass bar. the view.
And now the terrace view at the Dancing House Hotel in Prague is absolutely breathtaking. Situated on the rooftop, it offers a stunning panoramic view of the city, including the iconic Vltava River and the Prague Castle in the distance. It's the perfect spot to unwind, whether you're enjoying a drink or simply taking in the beauty of the city. The modern, unique architecture of the Dancing House itself adds an extra layer of charm, and the atmosphere on the terrace is vibrant yet relaxing. Whether you're there for a sunset or an evening skyline, the views are definitely a highlight of the hotel experience.
Cheers! Mako, cheers! I'm shaking. It's cold. It's cold outside. Yeah. Hello. Where are we? We are in Prague. Good morning, Prague. I'm going to show you the view this morning. This is the view. Looks very cold. Wow.
The breakfast the following morning was another highlight. A wide range of options, from fresh pastries to hearty hot dishes, ensured that there was something for everyone. The buffet was well stocked, and the quality of food exceeded our expectations. Plus, the breakfast area had a relaxed atmosphere, which made it a great way to start our day.
Good morning, 303.
Okay, thank you. Welcome. Enjoy.
Oh, looks nice.
Dancing House Cafe is a charming and stylish spot that offers a fantastic place to relax and enjoy a drink or a light meal. Located on the ground floor of the iconic Dancing House, the cafe has a modern, sleek design that mirrors the building's unique architecture. With large windows, it provides great views of the surrounding cityscape, allowing you to soak in the lively atmosphere of Prague while enjoying a coffee. Overall, our stay at the Dancing House Hotel was fantastic. The combination of excellent service, great food, and convenience made it an unforgettable experience. We would definitely recommend it to anyone visiting the area and would love to return on our next trip.